Please introduce yourself.
My name is Jocelyn Clarabal. I'm 49 years old of age and Filipino, married with 3 children. And my work experience is 12 years working in Hong Kong, taking care of Popo, and then doing household chores, cooking especially, and then cleaning the house. And another experience is from Singapore. Is 5 years in Singapore. I'm taking care also of Popo, and then 83 years old and doing household chores, cooking especially also, and then doing washing clothes, cleaning the house. And then here in Macau is taking care of 4 children with two helper with me, and then four children, mom. And then my second employer here is 2 years, just finished contract, and 1 daughter, mom. Thank you.